Your sales were growing and then they just stopped. You start running more ads, posting daily on socials, chasing leads everywhere, but still no results. In reality, you don't need more marketing. You just need to figure out where your funnel is broken and how to fix it. In this video, I'll help you to diagnose exactly what is blocking your growth so you can stop wasting money and effort and start turning every marketing dollar into real sales. Hi, I'm Angela. At ReadinGraphics, we've summarized the best books to help entrepreneurs and business owners to achieve real business growth. In this video, we walk through each stage of your customer journey to see exactly where your sales are getting stuck and what you can do about it. Stick around until the end for proven strategies that you can apply right away to get sales moving. Let's talk about why your sales may have stalled. When sales flatten out, the first instinct is to do more. More ads, more posts, more calls, more channels. But doing more doesn't always work. When you're trying to chase every metric from click rates to churn rates, customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, and cost per lead, you spread yourself way too thin and end up overwhelmed. So instead of doing more, pinpoint what's going wrong. Because somewhere along the customer journey, people are dropping off. So the question you need to answer is, where exactly is your funnel breaking? And that's what this video is going to help you find out. We walk through 5 key stages of your customer journey and zoom in on your stuck point that's blocking your sales, so you can see clear ways to start fixing it. Now, there are a lot of marketing models that you can use, but Lean Analytics does a great comparison of many of these approaches. You can get this image in high resolution with more details from ReadinGraphics summary. Personally, I find that AARRR or Pirate Metrics Framework to be one of the most intuitive and useful, and that's what we'll be using today. It maps the typical journey for customers in any business, from first hearing about you to buying, returning, and referring others. Here's a quick explainer of the AARRR framework for my business ReadinGraphics. The AARRR model, sometimes called the Pirate Metrics, is a simple but powerful way to map your entire customer journey from beginning to end. It stands for acquisition, how people first discover you; activation, their first meaningful experience; retention, keeping them coming back; referral, getting them to tell others; and revenue, actually making the sale. Think of it like a funnel. If you are leaking at any stage, you're wasting money on the rest. And this next part is where we're going to figure out where you might be stuck. Let's go through each stage of the funnel to find out where your sales are stuck and what you can do about it. For each stage, I'd like you to listen out for the symptoms that might match what you're seeing in your business and what you can do about it. Ready? Stage 1, acquisition. Acquisition is about how customers first discover your business. The question here is, are we attracting the right people? It's a common mistake to think that more traffic means more sales, but that only works if you get qualified traffic. Watch for these warning signals: high traffic but low conversions, leads that don't match your ideal customer profile, or ad spend with poor ROI. The idea is to go for quality over quantity. So every marketing dollar is going towards someone who's actually likely to buy from you. If you're facing an acquisition problem, here are some channels or tactics that might help. Social and display ads are great for building awareness quickly. They let you target specific groups, but you need to ensure that your message speaks to the pain points of your ideal customer. Content marketing and SEO attract people already searching for solutions. These channels take time, but they bring in highly qualified leads who are ready to engage. Partnerships and influencer collaborations help you to borrow trust and reach new audiences that already align with your offer. The key is to choose channels where your ideal customers already hang out and tailor your message to their pain points. How do you know if a channel or tactic is actually working for you? Here's a helpful concept from the book Lean Analytics. To avoid overwhelm, focus on just one metric that matters for each stage. For the acquisition stage, your metric could be qualified leads per week, cost per qualified lead, or engaged click-through rates. Stage 2, activation. Activation is the customer's first meaningful experience with your business. The key question is, are they engaging in a meaningful way? Traffic is useless if people leave the minute they land on your website. You need to deliver that aha moment where they truly experience the value you bring and take a meaningful first step. Look for telltale signs like high drop-off after landing pages, low sign-up or low trial conversion rates, confusing or high-friction onboarding. If acquisition is your start point, then your goal is to reduce friction and make your value instantly clear. Here are a few proven tactics and channels that might help. Landing pages and lead magnets help clarify your offer and encourage people to take that first small step, like signing up or downloading something valuable. Engineering as marketing is another powerful approach. This means creating free tools or resources like calculators, templates, or mini courses that demonstrate your expertise and value upfront, or offering product trials or samples to let people experience what you offer before committing. Your job here is to remove friction and make that first step as easy and compelling as possible. Here, your one metric that matters might be first use conversion rate, onboarding completion, or initial activation rate. Stage 3, retention. Retention is about keeping customers engaged over time. The question is, are they coming back? It's more expensive to acquire new customers than to retain them. Look for these warning signals: high churn or cancellation rates, low repeat usage or logins, or customers disengaging after the first use. Many businesses lose customers because they forget to follow up or give them a reason to return. If this sounds like you, then your goal is to keep customers engaged and deliver value continuously. And here are some channels and strategies that can help. Email marketing is one of the most effective. It lets you deliver personalized, timely messages that nurture the relationship and remind customers of your value. Push notifications and SMS are direct, quick ways to re-engage users with timely offers or updates. Customer support and success teams can also be seen as retention channels, because when you proactively solve problems and help customers get the most from your product, you also build trust and loyalty. Your goal is to deliver real value and remind customers of it so they want to keep coming back. Your one metric that matters in this stage might be monthly active users, repeat purchase rate, or customer churn rate. Stage 4, referral. Referral is where satisfied customers share your product with others. The question here is, are customers telling others about us? Word of mouth is the most trusted and cheapest way to grow. But you can't just hope for referrals. You have to engineer them. Look for these signals that your referral engine isn't working: low or no referral activity, no sharing or word of mouth traffic, or incentives that don't get used. Are referrals your main bottleneck? If so, your immediate goal is to make it easy and appealing for people to refer to you. And here are some channels and tactics that you can consider. Referral programs that offer customers clear incentives to invite friends, like discounts, credits, or exclusive benefits. Viral loops that build sharing into the product itself, where every new user has the potential to invite more users naturally. Or user-generated content can also amplify referrals by showcasing real customers and their experiences, building trust with new prospects. The focus here is to make it easy and rewarding for customers to spread the word for you. And here, your core metric might be referral rate, invite conversions, or viral coefficient. And finally, stage 5, revenue. This is where you actually capture value. The question is, are customers buying and buying enough? You can nail all the other stages but still fail if your offer doesn't convert. Watch for these signs that revenue is your bottleneck: high cart abandonment, low conversion rates on pricing pages, or poor upgrade or upsell performance. So if revenue is your weakest link, then your goal is to make buying easy and compelling. And here are some channels and tactics to consider. Sales teams or one-on-one calls to help guide customers through complex or high-value decisions, build trust and address objections. Offer optimizations like clear pricing tiers, urgency, guarantees, or simplified checkouts. Or upsells and cross-sells to increase the average order value by solving more of your customers' needs. So remember, the goal here is to make it as easy and compelling as possible for customers to buy from you. The one metric that matters might be conversion rate, average revenue per user, or customer lifetime value. Let's pause here and take stock of the funnel. Which stage is your weakest link right now? Using the AARRR Framework, you can diagnose your marketing funnel, identify where you're stuck, and what levers you can use for the greatest sales impact. It's a lot to take in, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to choose the best strategies every time. Feel free to revisit this video anytime if you need a refresher, or type "grow sales" in the comments below to get your free diagnostic guide. Remember, don't try to fix everything at once. Focus on one stage at a time based on what's really blocking your growth, and zoom in on just one metric that matters at any point in time. Because when you get that right, you make every marketing dollar work harder for you, and every customer journey becomes smoother. I've also put together a list of the summaries for the books that inspired this video, along with other useful materials in the description below. See you in the next video.